Hey guys, Nick from Ohio Power Tool again. We just got the PACKOUT Light and charger in stock, so I'm wanting to open this up and see what it's all about. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe to our videos so we can bring you more wonderful content like this. So let's dive on in.
Milwaukee has a PACKOUT for almost any solution. The PACKOUT Light and charger is a great addition to that growing list. When I was lifting the PACKOUT from the box, it was heavier than I anticipated, which almost gave me the impression that it is durable and can take a hit or two. Okay, let's take a look at the owner's manual, page by page. I'm just kidding. The flip and rotation of the lights are pretty stiff out of the box. That is a good thing, as I'm confident this will weaken over time and with multiple use. The multi-directional lights can be positioned in one direction for specific task lighting or multiple directions for area lighting. It's like your kid holding a flashlight, but involves less yelling and traumatizing. Like its product name suggests, this is fully compatible with Milwaukee PACKOUT. Now you can stack this on top of your stack and create a pathway light while rolling through the job site. If your light will be stationary for some time, plug it in. Not only do you still get the light benefits, but it'll charge your M18 battery at the same time. Also, it's equipped with a USB charger, so no more worries about your phone battery dying from all the texting and social media browsing you do while on the clock. Alright, let's get this bad boy powered up. First, let me figure out how these batteries work, and there we go. It really puts out a good amount of light. Damn near blinded myself when rotating it. Actually surprising how bright it can be running on a battery that'll last you all day. The brightness is spec'd at 3000 lumens, and that's plenty for a portable solution. Now you don't always need to have three 3000 lumen lights beaming at you at all times, as there's a handy mode button to press that cycles through 2 side lights, all 3 lights, and just the single big boy. Actually, 3000 lumens could be too much in some cases, so the brightness can be adjusted by 3 different levels. And when you're all done, fold her up, stack her up for another day.
All right, everybody, that's the new light and charger PACKOUT from Milwaukee. Great addition to the PACKOUT line. Very durable, bright lights, multiple modes, charging system, all available at ohiopowertool.com. Make sure you order yours today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.